So looking at these two forms, my accessible one here and my table-based one here, I think the next thing I want to do is move over my send button, I guess almost to the center. I guess I take it this is to the center of the form. Now this is kind of loosely placed over here. It's almost to the left a little bit, but I mean it's not. What I mean is that it's actually not dead center to this box. It's still a little bit to the left, but maybe for mine I'm going to have it inch it over a little bit to the right in this one. Now how would I do this? Well, we actually already know how to do this because we did this at the very beginning with our layout. Now this layout was made to be aligned right in the middle, right? And we did that by defining a fixed width for our box, and then we added an auto margin to the left and an auto margin to the right. Or actually, I kind of pointed the other way, but all right, well, let's do that for the send button. So now, if we look at our code, we should have the actual send button for this specific reason. We gave this field set a class, and that class was submit. So to that class that we added in our CSS, that's exactly what we're going to add. We're going to add a margin left auto, margin right auto, and let me forget the width on purpose and see what happens. Absolutely nothing, right? Because this auto margin left and right aren't going to work unless you define a width for the element. So now let me go over here, and for my submit button I'm going to give it a width of, I don't know, let me give it 3ems. And now what? Oh, look at that. Now our button is centered in the middle of our div container.